When it comes to creating a healthier, more comfortable living space, many homeowners in Deltona, Florida, focus on air conditioning, ceiling fans, and dehumidifiers. But one of the most effective, and often overlooked, ways to enhance your home's indoor airflow and ventilation is through professional window installation. With Florida's humid climate and warm temperatures, fresh air circulation isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Upgrading your windows can make a noticeable difference in how air moves throughout your home, impacting everything from indoor air quality to energy efficiency. Let's explore how new window installation can improve airflow and ventilation in your Deltona home and why it's a smart investment. Better window placement equals better airflow. Many older homes in Deltona were built with basic or poorly positioned windows that don't encourage cross-ventilation. When you install new windows, you have the opportunity to strategically place them where they can capture and channel breezes. For example, placing windows across from each other allows wind to move through the home efficiently. Installing casement or awning windows in higher sections of a wall lets warm air escape upward. Adding larger or additional windows in areas that feel stuffy can eliminate stagnant air pockets. The result? Natural airflow that keeps your home cooler and fresher, especially during Deltona's warmer months. Modern windows are designed for ventilation. Today's windows aren't just about looks, they're engineered to perform. Many modern window styles are designed to maximize airflow without sacrificing energy efficiency or security. Top choices for ventilation include casement windows. Open outward like a door, catching side breezes and directing air inside. Awning windows. Hinge at the top and open outward, allowing airflow even during light rain. Double hung windows. Open from the top and bottom to encourage warm air out and cool air in. Slider windows. Easy to open and ideal for wide walls or tighter spaces. With the right window style, you can enjoy a more breathable home year-round. Remove stale air and reduce moisture. Florida's humidity can lead to dampness, mold, and unpleasant odors inside your home, especially in areas like bathrooms, laundry rooms, and kitchens. Poor ventilation traps moisture, which creates the perfect breeding ground for mildew and bacteria. New window installations help by encouraging passive ventilation, allowing humidity to escape naturally. Improving air exchange, replacing stale indoor air with fresh outdoor air. Helping to regulate indoor temperatures, which minimizes condensation buildup on glass and walls. The outcome is a healthier indoor environment with better air quality and fewer maintenance issues. Reduce reliance on HVAC system. When air flows freely through your home, your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard. In Deltona, where high energy bills can be a concern during summer, enhanced natural ventilation can lead to real savings. Professionally installed windows allow you to take advantage of cooler morning and evening breezes, reduce your HVAC runtime, enjoy energy savings while maintaining comfort. Even if you rely heavily on AC during peak heat, windows that support airflow give you more control over your indoor climate. Improved comfort and livability. Good ventilation isn't just about air, it's about how your home feels. A well-ventilated space is cooler, more inviting, less prone to odors or allergens. It's easier to maintain. Whether you're relaxing in the living room or preparing dinner in the kitchen, fresh air makes every space feel more pleasant. New windows help create that inviting atmosphere that turns a house into a home. Final thoughts. Let fresh air in with expert window installation. In Deltona's warm and humid climate, improving airflow and ventilation is essential, and new window installation is one of the best ways to do it. By choosing the right window styles and working with experienced installers, you can create a home that breathes better, feels fresher, and operates more efficiently. Ready to transform your indoor environment? Contact a trusted Deltona window installation expert today and start enjoying the benefits of improved airflow and healthier living.